Welcome to Ghana. This is the longest bridge in Ghana, spanning about 650 meters long. Yeah, in between Sogakope and Sokpoe. It's beautiful. The view to the lake, oh, lovely. This is about 650 meters long and it's been constructed by the first president of Ghana. You're welcome to Ghana. This is Volta. Sorry guys, I don't have my swimming suit. Like, I would have tried swimming. This is Volta. The next time you visit Volta, come through to the Sogakope. There are a lot of things around this place, from the hotel facilities, the Sogakope beach resort, a lot of places to explore. Okay, Emmanuel is also trying. Come to Volta! Now, you don't get to experience only the bridge and the beautiful water running under it or sitting by it to enjoy the rest stops or the recreational centers around it. Economic activities are also ongoing right here at the foot of the bridge. They sell fishes. This is a tilapia fish. We also have catfish and all of that are being caught right in the Volta Lake, and they are up for sale. Healthy from the natural source. These are not red. So the ladies behind it say they are selling 5 of them for 200 Ghana cedis, and that is about $17. You can get strong, beautiful, natural fishes right here from the Volta Lake. All right, so we have Sister Kofa, who is also one of the few people selling fishes here. Sister Kofa,
Hey.
Akpari nene ni miejirame.
Loloto 5 for 200, 3 for 100. Lolo
5 for 200 cents. Hey, how much? 100 cents.
Plum to 100.
Oh, okay.
We have different sizes.
Different sizes. Now, I'm going to play natural Bamale Kumasi alo Gakutoma or the income you wanna.
Actually, Kumasi Kama Lafiagaka, me deliver to Accra.
Deliver to Accra.
Medina and other places, but far distance.
Okay, so all the places that they have vehicles to, they can deliver the fish to you. For Kumasi, they don't have, but for Accra, they have it. So the next time you visit Ghana, come around here and buy fish. Now, I'm going to be a player. Your number, Chris, what are you on a deliver now?
Okay, 0247 74 65 62.
Yes, so this is that and a whole lot more. They are selling fish right here, closer to the Sogakope Bridge, the Lower Bridge. It's beautiful here. So when you want to come to Ghana or you come to Sogakope, make sure next time you stop by to get some fishes from them. It's healthy, it is natural, and it's from the Volta Lake.